In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix issues with updating Windows Defender on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first step is to open the search menu. Click on the search bar and type Services. The best match should be Services. Click to open it. In the Services window, scroll down until you find Windows Security Service. Double-click on it. If the service is not running, click the Start button. If it is already running, stop it first and then start it again. Click OK to save the changes, then close the window. Next, open the search menu again and type Update. Select Check for updates. If there are updates available, install them and restart your computer. If you do not see any new updates or the problem persists, try running the built-in troubleshooter. To do this, open the search menu and type Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Settings. Scroll down and select Other Troubleshooters. Under the Most Frequent section, find Windows Update Troubleshooter and click the Run button. Wait for the troubleshooter to complete the process and follow any recommended actions. If the issue is still not resolved, you can try running the System File Checker tool. Open the search menu and type CMD. The best match should be Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: sfc/scanno. Press Enter on your keyboard. The scan may take some time to complete. Allow it to run without interruption. Once the scan finishes, check if Windows detected and fixed any corrupted system files. Close the Command Prompt window and restart your computer. After restarting, try checking for updates again. Windows Defender should now be able to update without any issues. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.